बॉम्बे में बैंड ड्रामे लोगों से सुसु नहीं हो रहा है.
Men should not be allowed to talk about how inconvenient it is for them to pee in toilets.
You don't want to discuss office.
मेरा सारा ट्रॉमा वापस आ रहा है. उसको तो मैं अपने कब्जे में ले ही लूंगी.
10 साल पहले मुझे होता था कि oh my god I have to be better than TVF or this has to kill it or the good.
Like I am aware कि मैं तुझे काटती हूँ, as in interrupt करती हूँ.
Yeah, thank you for clarifying what that meant.
मेरी पॉल साइंस में 0% अटेंडेंस थी.
0% attendance is not attendance.
You want बसंती? चल धन्नो. मुझे तो बुरा लगता है शाहरुख के लिए.
Why?
मुझे लगता है वो इंसान.
बुरा लग रहा है शाहरुख के लिए?
हाँ.
अच्छा. I think Raj and Simran would have had their own podcast now.
राज.
सिमरन को ना सिर्फ यूके का पासपोर्ट चाहिए था.
Shahrukh, you come and solve this for us. Come here, sit with us and talk to us.
Make me so mad. Make me so mad.
You know why I was late?
Right.
Because constipation.
तो किसने कहा?
I want to talk
इतने
about
बारी
this.
बोला है 8,000 steps, 10,000 steps walk करा
छोड़ो
कर, पानी
steps.
पिया कर, फाइबर खाया कर, तो नहीं सुनता ही नहीं है
वो
तू.
सब छोड़ो. I have a thing to talk to the world about.
The world. I
The
like
world.
how you're assuming
The-
that the world is watching
the world.
our घर की
The
कहानी.
14 people who are watching this show. Okay, I want to discuss this. Every time, this is what pisses me off. Every time you go to a men's loo in a restaurant or coffee shop, I am very tentative because होता क्या है कि मेरे आगे वाला जो बंदा होता है उसने गंद फैला दिया होता है. ठीक है, there is just pee all over the toilet seat. Now, not only does that extra burden come on me, the bigger problem is if I choose to go in, see this is disgusting and I'm not going to use this, come out. The person behind me who's waiting thinks I am the one who has fucked up the toilet seat and that I don't know how to pee straight.
Why the
So
fuck?
so it is a earnest request. अरे पड़ जाती है सारे लोग. पता है कि 4 लोग बोल रहे होंगे, पता है खंबा सुसु भी नहीं करना आता उस ढंग से, पूरी सीट की मार देता है तुम पूरे. और अगर तुम बॉम्बे में बैंड ड्रामे लोगों से सुसु नहीं हो रहा है, क्या फायदा हुआ इतना अमीर होने का? Why are we starting with this?
And why is this connected to our home situation right now?
It is not connected to a home
How is
situation.
this connected
You
to
said
you
why I
being
was late. You said why are you late? And I just
हमारे
remembered.
घर पे क्या पूरे मोहल्ले के लोग आते हैं पी करने.
हम वो already discussed
That's
कर
the
चुके.
only boo boo you will get because you're late.
Guys, this is my emotional support pillow because स्मित का पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है.
मैं
Anyway,
irritated हूँ, तू लेट था यहाँ पे और फिर तू यहाँ पे आके ऐसे डायलॉग. Men should not be allowed to talk about how inconvenient it is for them to pee in toilets. Do you know biologically only way? Actually not biologically. तुम लड़कों के वजह से only you guys can stand and pee anywhere. You can go and even stand and
That's
pee
true.
outside a tree,
That's
behind
true.
a tree, on the road. What about us?
That's
और
true.
देखो इससे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है.
That's
Oh
true.
my God, राजा बेटा सुसु करके आ रहा है तो कोई आके उसको बोल रहा है कि तुमने अपने stains लगा दिए वहाँ पे.
by the way, speaking of, तुमने एक बहुत सही बात की, men can pee anywhere. Guys, true story. You know what is what is the weirdest place I have peed? I'll tell you what is the weirdest place I have peed. I was in college. ठीक है, दिल्ली में जो हम थे ना, सुन तो दिल्ली में थे ना हम.
Do I have a choice?
अरे सुन तो.
मुझे अगले 3 घंटे के लिए तुझे ही सुनना है.
तो मेरे को इंटरप्ट करना बंद करो, मारने लोग कमेंट्स में. ठीक है, learn. देखो guys, I'm reading the comments.
Army, I know.
Thank you guys for bringing it
मैंने
up.
भी पढ़ा है, उसको बोलने दिया अगर.
हाँ तो फिर implement तो हो नहीं रहा है.
I am taking one for the team, for all the women who were not allowed to speak for centuries and centuries. मैं आ गई हूँ. Yes.
You're making this a feminist issue. You're
I interrupt men, not just good Simran. I interrupt all my friends for this reason.
Speaking of, I will take that again. Let me take that again, man. Anyway, you know what's the weirdest place I peed? तो दिल्ली में थे हम, सर्दियों का टाइम. ठीक है, तो बहुत फॉग थी. रात को मैं घर आ रहा था, आते आते लेट हो गया 10-11 बजे. तो धुंध में ना तुम्हें पता नहीं चलता. So we were passing Central Delhi. For those of you who don't know Central Delhi, Lutyens Delhi जिसको बोलते हैं, वहाँ पे सारे मिनिस्टर्स वगैरह के घर हैं. ठीक है, so I really had to pee and ठंड बहुत थी. So I told the auto, I said रुक जा मेरे को, I have to pee. So I went inside. ठीक है, and मैं वहाँ पे पी करना स्टार्ट ही किया है. bro, two, I don't know, those CRPF guys with the guns. Hey, क्या कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? निकलो. And I was like, sir, sorry. क्या करूं, मेरे को सुसु करना था. क्या आपको पता नहीं आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप किसके घर के? तो सोमनाथ चैटर्जी जो स्पीकर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट होता था, स्पीकर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट.
So they thought you were like protesting.
They thought, I don't know, who am I, why am I, कि आप कोई कौन है, कोई वो ना हो, दूसरी कोई चोर चक्का ना हो. But then they also realized, अच्छा ठीक है,
Were
कोई
you
students
allowed
आई
to
है.
pee? Did you?
हाँ, they let me finish also. It was so awkward because I'm just peeing, they're looking at me, I'm looking at them.
उस वक्त तुझे उनको
1
पी
minute.
सेफ निकाल के देना चाहिए था. Don't worry, ये है ना.
तुमने कर दिया ना इंटरप्ट स्टोरी के एंड में. कर दिया ना, तुमसे 2 मिनट रुका नहीं गया.
खत्म
पी
तो
सेफ
हो
तब
गई.
इन्वेंट नहीं हुआ था.
Okay, sorry, खत्म.
I was
तो हो
building the
गई.
moment now.
और क्या था इसमें
I
moment?
was building the moment कि वो जवान ने मेरी आंखों में देखा, मैंने उसकी आंखों में देखा. I was still peeing. धुन थी, आवाज आ रही थी. रिक्शा वाला.
मुझे कौन बताएगा कि तुझे पूरा यहाँ पे अपना एक्ट करना है, कॉमेडी एक्ट करके यहाँ पे
कॉमेडी
दिखाना
एक्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, बस तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ. Anyway, that is the weirdest place I've been. Earnest request to everyone, please either clean your own thingies is in public spaces.
I think that's valid for women's
Yes.
toilets also. I cannot pee in public places
Yes.
for this very reason. वरना if I really have to go, I will just like मैं तो साफ करने लग जाती हूँ. I'll get like so many tissues and
Yeah.
soap and everything, and then otherwise I just squat and pee.
I specifically remember because but you are very, very particular about this. I remember when we had gone to Amsterdam.
It is so disgusting.
हाँ, but ऐसे तो you have to go somewhere. You can't go back
I'm
home.
not a man, nah. It's so easy for a man to say this. I remember I had gone for a birthday party, and I think I was in college then, and these boys were drunk. वो 9th floor की balcony से pee करने लग गए थे नीचे. यार तुम सारे एकदम uncouth लोग, and this is like fun for these drunk boys.
But हुआ क्या? Did it fall on someone?
I don't know, evaporate हो गया होगा नीचे
Evaporate.
पहुंचते
नीचे पहुंचते पहुंचते evaporate हो गया होगा. मैं कौन से physicist को बुलाऊं ये experiment check करने के लिए? Anyway, Ismeet, what is today's episode about?
My
What are we
curls.
discussing? We're discussing your curls today. Let's discuss your curls.
Oh, apparently मेरे को मेरी फ्रेंड ने बताया था, who's a flight attendant in one of the airlines. Air India में अगर आपके curly बाल है, वो आपको hire नहीं करते as an attendant because it's considered very dirty. Curly hair stereotypes.
कर्ली हेयर स्टीरियोटाइप्स तो हैं. कर्ली हेयर स्टीरियोटाइप्स तो वी शुड टॉक अबाउट इट. मैं स्टैंड अप पे भी करता हूँ. मेरे को तुम्हारे कारण ही पता चला था कि कर्ली हेयर वाली लड़कियों को इंडियन टेलीविजन पे सिर्फ विलन, वैम्प और ऐसे चिनाल टाइप रोल ऑफर. हाँ, करके दिखाओ जरा.
मुझे नहीं आता.
करके ट्राई तो कर. 2 कर्ल हैं, वो भी खराब हो गए तो.
उसको तो मैं अपने कब्जे में ले ही लूंगी. कहाँ जाएगा वो? ऐसे कुछ बोलती है ना.
पहले तुमने वहां पे पिछली बारी कुछ सैयारा का ऑडिशन किया था. अब तुम यहाँ पे पॉडकास्ट के ऊपर कमोलिका के ऑडिशन कर रहे हो. कर क्या रहे हो तुम? तुमने फिर नहीं खाना खाया ना आज?
गोपी बहू मेरे सामने कुछ भी नहीं है. उसने तो मेरा अभी तक रंग देखा ही नहीं है. मैं उसको जिंदा चबा जाऊंगी. राहुल मेरा है, सिर्फ मेरा, सिर्फ मेरा.
चलो, स्मृति ईरानी ने तो नहीं बोला होगा ये. सिर्फ
I don't know who Rahul is.
पता नहीं. देखो, तुम कौन सोच रहे थे? वेरी गुड बैड विलन एक्टिंग. मैं थोड़ा पीछे म्यूजिक डाल दूंगा थोड़ा इसमें. अच्छा, बट व्हाट इज द इशू? आई थिंक उनको ये होता होगा एयर इंडिया में कि बाल वूल ना गिर जाए खाने के अंदर.
I like how you think that सिर्फ curly hair टूटते हैं.
मैं बस
सबकी हेयर फॉल होती है. पता एक दिन में हम कितना हेयर फॉल करते हैं?
एटलीस्ट 200 to 300 grams.
At least grams. अच्छा,
Yeah.
200 grams of hair.
Yeah.
Are you mad?
Oh, sorry.
Strands.
Strands.
100
200 strands.
बाल गिरते हैं सबके. Normal healthy hair fall at least.
How do you know this?
I am gifted.
Do you have any claims to back up your shit, or is it just कभी 5? Wait, I will Google this. Wait, how many? Wow, it is normal for 50 to 100 hair per day.
Yes.
Sometimes up to 150.
Yes.
How did you know this?
ठीक क्यों है इतना?
पता नहीं. तुम्हारी वो evil acting से मेरे को श्राप लग गया.
Are you allergic?
Yeah, I'm allergic to Kamalikas. I just like being around nice people.
Gulshan, in honor of me winning,
Okay.
I need you to act like Kamolika also.
Give me a situation.
You are कुछ होता है.
I've not seen that film.
And now
फिर
और कौन सी देखी उसके पहले?
शोले क्या?
शोले.
Sholay, okay, chalo.
You are in Sholay,
Okay.
and now you want Basanti,
Hmm.
and you have to go to Jay. Jay is
Jay is who?
sorry, Viru. Viru is Dharmender, no?
Dharamji, Hanji.
You have caught them making love,
I have
and you
caught.
want
Who have I caught
you
making
have
love?
caught Basanti and Viru making
So, but
love.
aren't they together anyway?
Yeah, but you don't want that to happen, na?
So I don't want that to happen.
You want Basanti because you are so used to girls who yap. Chal Dhanno! I don't know what is wrong.
Worst sex talk.
Chal
Worst
Dhanno is
sex talk ever.
Chal Dhanno is
I
Dhanno
don't know.
is a word for penis.
The way you slapped the ass. The way you slapped the ass. It sounded like sex talk.
काम कर अपना.
Okay. अगर तुम सारा दिन वीरू के साथ सेक्स करती रही तो वाटर प्यूरिफायर का फिल्टर कौन बदलेगा बसंती? Sorry, it's a Hema Malini joke, guys. Oh my fucking god.
तू ये क्यों कर रहा है?
I don't have curly hair to do this,
I know,
na.
but you're
I
playing,
can't do this.
You're playing on that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
This was a warm up, just for us.
This
to
was
get
warm
in.
up. I think we have wasted 20 minutes. Anyway.
चल धन्नो. तुम्हें पता है मुझे तो ये पसंद है वैसे भी कितना ज्यादा ये पॉडकास्ट करना. पॉडकास्ट हम हर सुबह उठ के करते हैं और फिर हम इतनी बातें करते हैं फिर हम थक जाते हैं और रात को हम सो जाते हैं. धन्नो को भी बहुत मजा आता है हमारा पॉडकास्ट देखने में. आपने कभी देखा है?
Who is Dhanno?
भाई घोड़ा है ना. घोड़ा है, होता है धन्नो. हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स. घोड़ी बसंती धन्नो को चलाती है ना.
All of this sounds so wrong. I'm not even going to comment on everything you've said right
You
now.
have a dirty mind. यही होता है.
Am I the one who was slapping the butt?
I wasn't slapping any butt. I was slapping धन्नो. My घोड़ी. घोड़ू.
Wow, dude. What is wrong with you, man? What is wrong with you, man? I've not said anything to you.
You have come late.
So,
You
edit
have
ticket
come
pango tum.
late, so it's punishment.
Okay, chalo. Let us go with today's episode. Ismeet, what are we discussing in today's episode? Today we are discussing, a lot of people told us to discuss our corporate/work experience, which is why हम घोड़ी बने हुए थे इस episode
हाँ,
के
हम वो
beginning.
कर रहे हैं सबसे
हाँ,
पहले.
सबसे पहले हम वही कर रहे हैं.
Oh.
So today I am going to ask you, what is the worst job you've ever done?
Wow, मैं इतनी खुश थी और suddenly मुझे तुम मेरे पास के बारे में
I'm so sorry.
सोचने के लिए मजबूर कर रहे हो.
Okay, I can start if you want. I can tell. You don't want to discuss.
Office.
You don't want to discuss office.
मेरा सारा ट्रॉमा वापस आ रहा है.
तुमने अपने बॉस को वहां पे मारा नहीं, चल धन्नो करके जो
तब मैं
उसने
ऐसी नहीं थी.
तो नहीं. Okay, so we don't want.
नाटक कर रही हूँ.
Oh,
मैं ड्रामा कर रही हूँ.
Okay, should we discuss? Are you in the right frame of mind? Okay, let us discuss.
Office.
हाँ, okay. No,
Office work culture, bosses.
bosses, whatever, wherever that takes us. I think maybe the most current thing that is in the news has been Dipinder Goyal's comments. First off, I have to tell you, I don't know if I've told you this. You know, I have once met Dipinder Goyal before Zomato became Zomato. So Dipinder Goyal, I met when Zomato was early days, not even Zomato yet. It was called foodiebay.com. Okay, so that time they used to just scan menus and stuff like that. So I
So they
used
used to only scan menus.
yeah, that's
So
how
it
the
was
business
an
model
online
started.
website where you could get.
Yeah, you could look at menus and then call restaurants and
Oh,
order
sweet.
order from. That was like the first original model. So at that time I used to write funny copy, and they had gotten in touch because they wanted someone, I think, just to write some funny copy or something for them. And at that particular point, it was really silly, okay, because they were also like a very, very early stage startup. So I had quoted some 10,000-15,000 rupees or something like that for work. And I think they didn't have, I think they offered me some 4,000 rupees or something like that. And I was so desperate, मैंने वो भी ले लिया था. I just took the 4,000 rupees, I bought a PlayStation का game from that money.
How old were you?
I was in college, man, right after college. Anyway, before we even come to his comments, have you seen that device he's wearing
Yeah.
on his head?
Yeah.
So I have no, obviously, because they also came out with a statement कि यार we haven't even done any preliminary testing, we're just testing, तो आप health benefits वगैरह मत देखो, which I fully agree. So not like we know anything about it. All I want to say is, eventually, guys, whenever that comes to market, if you guys think it is worthy of coming to market, just make it look little less like bird doo doo. That's all. It just looks like bird doo doo on the side of your head, which I hope it does not look like in the final product. Anyway, very
But
random.
how nice, मतलब तू college time से काम करता था.
हाँ, because basically what happened was, my initial thought was always कि अच्छा, I want to become at that time though I wanted to become a journalist. Haha, imagine if that. Actually, you know what? If I had become a journalist now and sold out, I would have been a millionaire. So many channels I could have sold out on. Aaj Tak, Z, would have made a crazy amount of money. Anyway, so I was always very this thing कि कुछ ना कुछ तो writing करते रहो. Have I told you about the weirdest job I've had?
Is it when you were selling some cassette players?
I wasn't selling.
What were you selling?
So the weirdest job, this is so random. Remember I told you about Raman, that friend of mine on the earlier friendship podcast. He used to import something called pocket projectors. Okay, now this is early. This is 2007 or 2008 or something like that.
Pocket projectors क्या होता है?
तो exactly. Back in the day, it was even इतना सा होता था. It was like your cell phone. जितना तेरा phone है ना, वो थोड़ा thicker. उसको आप plug करते थे अपने laptop में, या I think phone से भी हो जाता था. I don't remember. And it would give you like a 40-50 inch screen, like a projector.
But isn't that so cute?
That was very cute. And the thing is, back in
Isn't it still relevant
they
in a
are
way?
still there, and now तो they are way better technology, right? You get like proper brightness and all. You can
40-50 डिग्री कहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट होता था?
किसी भी दीवार पे कर दे, छत पे कर दे. सो उसकी कूल वैल्यू यही होती थी कि आपको कोई मूवी देखनी है, आपके पास घर में टीवी स्क्रीन नहीं है, आपने रात को अंधेरा बंद किया. The only thing is, back then it didn't have that much brightness. It wasn't as
Sure,
cool
the
as it is now.
quality.
So we used to, and he was just like he used import. And I think I was helping him with it for like 3 months, and हम door to door जाते होते थे.
Really?
Door to door
What
जाते
was
थे.
your
वैसे.
pitch?
यार तो पहले तो ना प्रोडक्ट देख के फट जाती थी सबकी कि ये क्या है. And now I'm an okay sales guy. I'm not like him. He was like banger sales guy. तो मोर देन डोर टू डोर, आई एम टेलिंग यू, हमने एक बारी हम कंपनीज को भी अप्रोच करते थे. तो वो फोन करता था कंपनीज के परचेजिंग ऑफिसर्स को कि सर हमारे पास ना एक नई डिवाइस आई है, आपके सेल्समैन है ना, आपके सेल्समैन को बहुत काम आएगी. हमने इनफैक्ट एक बारी हम मेक माई ट्रिप के ऑफिस भी गए हुए हैं, जो गुड़गांव में होता था इतना लंबा. एंड मेक माई ट्रिप वाले 2-3 परचेजिंग वाले आए और उनको हमने ना कहा पूरी लाइट बंद करके, हमने कहा सर ये देखिए ये प्रोजेक्टर है, ये ऐसे प्ले होता है, 50 इंच की स्क्रीन होती है, फुल इम्प्रेस्ड. तो 3 months I have sold pocket projectors.
Why just 3 months?
I was just like helping him out a little
you
bit.
have
to certain. I had fun, but I was like, this is not for me. Obviously not. I'm not that business guy.
Yeah.
I was not that guy at all.
If only you could have been a business guy.
Wow.
However, I have to say this. I have seen you pitch. I have seen you pitch at least your shows and all the concepts that you come up with. And
Huh.
I think you're a great person when it comes to pitching these things.
मुझे लगता है कि
Content.
तेरे साथ होता है कि नहीं. मेरे को लगता है अगर मेरे को दिल से आ रहा होता है तो मेरा अपने आप अच्छा पिच हो जाता है.
नहीं,
अगर
मेरे साथ नहीं होता ये.
नहीं होता है. तुम were you good? Have you ever done sales and stuff?
Yeah, I've done like BD, business
Oh,
development. I was
yeah.
fine in that.
And stuff like
But
that.
I think what you said is right, that if you believe in a product or if you believe in something, then usko wo bechna is आसान.
Yeah.
Because I think it's all about conviction.
Correct.
And if you have conviction in something, then obviously, and if you have your heart in it, then of course it's easier for you to sell it also and to pitch it to anyone. I think a great salesman would be someone जो शायद बिलीव नहीं करता है किसी प्रोडक्ट में, पर तब भी वो ऐसा बेच के आ जाता है that you are like, wow, इसने ये करा कैसे?
Correct.
That is the real skill ना.
Correct.
Which I think I also, like, I've done BD and I've done a little bit of sales, but I don't know if I had full conviction in the product.
Oh. And
So I
did
used
you
to
feel it was
always-
hard?
It was hard. It was, the markets were hard.
Yeah.
The markets where we had to sell, international markets थी, so those markets were hard. But in terms of, मुझे ना, मैं बड़ी conflicted होती थी with respect to the product, because I used to think कि इसका Chinese counterpart ना बहुत सस्ता है
हाँ.
और बहुत freely available है.
हाँ.
So I used to sell solar lights for people who don't have access to the grid. So मेरा वो conflict आ जाता था that it's not like an iPhone where I am selling to people who anyway have my target customer is a market with high disposable income.
Yeah.
Here I know my market is that of people who don't have that disposable income. So do they really need to spend a premium for these products versus अगर मैं होती तो मैं वो ये लेती या मैं I would be happy with my it's lights at the end of the day. However, the quality of the products were amazing, genuinely amazing, and you have also like
Yeah.
seen those lights. But ये conflict हमेशा होता था तो मुझे लगता है but there were people in my team who were like so good at it in terms of they were कुछ भी बेच के आ जाएंगे bro.
Yeah.
A large part of it also is networking, right? Like sales is one aspect of it is product and the other aspect of it is something which we have discussed how well can you
Yeah.
lick ass.
Yeah. Yeah, no, correct.
Kiss ass.
How well can you chal
Kiss
dhanno?
ass. चल धन्नो.
How well can you chal dhanno?
है ना? And some
Yes.
people are like, मैं नहीं कर सकती वो.
Yeah.
Well, that's something which I think you and I both are like.
Share in common.
हाँ, हम काम से काम रखते हैं. अगर काम है तो बात कर लेंगे. नहीं है तो फिर नहीं है. But I just like being direct. I just like being straightforward. I also appreciate people who are direct and straightforward.
Correct.
And I think a large part of it, that's why it's so hard for us to trust everyone also.
Yeah.
Because नहीं समझ आ रहा होता intention क्या है आपका.
In terms of who's like, if has this happened to you, like if somebody you meet and they're very bechu in
Yeah.
life, or they say a lot, like your guard goes up a little bit.
100%.
Like I get a little like, okay, why are you selling this much?
Yeah.
Or you're trying, then you try, then even if they're being very honest or saying something nice, only तुम्हारे दिमाग में seed of doubt होता है कि okay, is this just person being bechu,
Yeah.
or do they genuinely have the right intention in mind
Yeah.
and stuff like that? It gets very, very, very tricky.
Yeah.
But even in our industry, it's the same thing, like you said.
Yeah.
Ki our industry also, the sales happens because of networking only.
Yeah.
Like if you go to any OTT company के आप any OTT channel, any this thing, आप देखो कौन किसको जानता है, and if you
कौन
do
किसके लिए क्या कर सकता है in
Yes.
return probably.
तो आपको वो बहुत आधे घंटे में समझ आ जाएगा. Why some, you know what people keep saying कि ये टट्टी शो कैसे बन गया, ये कैसे रिलीज हो गया. गाइस, अगर आप जेन्युइनली जाके बस बिहाइंड द नेम्स देखोगे कि किसने बनाया है, कौन किसको जानता है, कौन किसका खानदान का है, कौन किस कंपनी से क्या है, everything is यारी दोस्ती beyond the point. I think in our industry also it's the same thing.
And it's sad that I think like I'm not that good at it. I don't know. I can't comment on you about you. But if this is how it works, this is how it works.
Yeah.
What can you do about it? Or
Correct.
you'll be content and happy with just whatever that you have, which actually I am. I'm fine like this. मुझसे वो extra जानबूझ के किसी की तारीफ करना when my heart is not in it, when I don't believe it, मुझसे वो नहीं होता है. And ठीक है, सबका जर्नी होता है, पर ये झूठ तो मैं बोल ही नहीं पाऊंगी, मेरे मुंह से निकलेगा ही नहीं.
तुम प्रीमियर पे मत जाना.
मैं नहीं जाती.
तुम मत जाओ प्रीमियर पे.
मैं क्या देख के आ गए यार हम गुरसिमरन.
मेरे साथ भी वही होता है. मैं भी फोन पकड़ के मैं कट लेता हूँ. या just and you bounce. कुछ तो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस सबको होती है यार. एवरीबडी वर्क्स ऑन देयर ओन स्टफ. लाइक हमें पता है, लाइक आई थिंक वी आर वेरी सेल्फ क्रिटिकल एंड वी नो कि यार, okay, for example with the pod or with the game show also, we are very this thing, oh no, you know, this could have been better. And the
Like
good,
I am aware कि मैं तुझे काटती हूँ, as in interrupt करती हूँ.
yeah, thank you for clarifying what that meant for the first half of that sentence. That was very scary. So we're trying to work on it. We're trying to work on it. No, I think with that level of self introspection, though, it, unless you're that delusional कि तुम्हारे पास नहीं है कुछ, तो everybody fucking has some level at least of that level of self
पर उसका तो मैं extreme हूँ. Like introspection तो है मुझ में, but then my mind would first go to the critical aspect of things and then go to no ये तो अच्छा ही था. Like I am very good at picking like 10 flaws in my work or 10 flaws
Yeah.
in what I do or what I say, etc.,
Yeah.
etc.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's coming from, you know, the childhood and the jobs that we have done and the things that we have gone through in our work culture.
Correct.
Because
correct.
Indian work culture में तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा है, you know, hierarchy is very prevalent.
So I wanted to ask you this. So you have gotten more corporate experience than I have.
Yeah.
in
What was
terms-
your first job?
My first job? Let me think. Right after college? My first internship. So is the job, are we counting internships?
Okay, first you do internship, then you do a job.
Yeah, so I will tell you. So I did journalism from Delhi University, right? So in our program, there was, in the last year, you had to do an internship at a newspaper/news organizations, okay? And good you brought up networking, because this will give you that example. So what we used to do was, me and one of my colleagues, Rishabh, हम क्या करते थे, हमने लास्ट ईयर में सीवी लेके, अपना सीवी क्या ही होता था तब, सीवी लेके वी वेंट यूज्ड टू गो डोर टू एवरी न्यूज़पेपर
To find an internship.
To find an
तू
internship.
इतना मेहनत करता
मेहनत
था.
नहीं, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ द जॉब भाई. तब इंटरनेट और लिंक्डइन थोड़ी होता था
Yeah, but
इतना.
it's so nice. Like for example, हमारे कोर्स में भी internship था, पर मैंने मेहनत कुछ नहीं करी to find an internship.
Wait, let me complete story, then you tell me, because I'm very
हाँ,
curious
I
about this.
know.
So we would go to like Statesman, Indian Express, सारी जगह हम ना न्यूज़पेपर, और वहाँ पे इंटर्न्स तो उन चाहिए भी होते हैं उन्हें, बट इंटर्नशिप भी साला नेटवर्किंग के कारण ही मिलती थी, जो हमें
अभी भी वही होता है.
अभी भी वही होता है ना.
हाँ.
तो हमें वो पता नहीं था, तो हम जाते थे न्यूज़पेपर स्टेट्समैन के बाहर, हमने बोल दिया खड़े हो गए, एंड वो रिसेप्शनिस्ट इज आल्सो लाइक, एंड दिस इज वेरी फनी, ओके, एंड दिस इज अ रनिंग जोक इन दिल्ली मीडिया सर्कल्स.
Yeah.
आई डोंट नो इफ दिस इज स्टिल ट्रू और नॉट, बट 2006 में होता था कि all the journalists are somehow Bengali, so if you're Bengali you'll get an internship. Okay, this
Did you
was
try learning Bengali to
नहीं
get
यार,
it?
are you mad? ये TOI वगैरह में भी होता. Anyways, so now the thing is, it's not like our family didn't really have those kind of media connections, right? कि
You
newspaper.
had media connection.
No, I didn't. No.
अच्छा.
And then then I was like, ठीक है, न्यूज़पेपर कुछ नहीं होता, कहीं और ट्राई करते हैं, NDTV टाइप ट्राई करते हैं. You know, NDTV तो तब कूल होता था ना कि fuck you got an internship at NDTV. NDTV जाके सारे वो LSR के बच्चे और जो थोड़े फैंसी जर्नलिज्म स्कूल्स वाले बच्चे, तो उनकी होती थी, तो वहां भी नहीं मिली. तो dude, I did an internship in this. I don't even remember the name. It was this really tiny. I think dad found it or something. It used to be a small newspaper which was for NRIs.
Okay.
वो इंडिया में छपता भी नहीं था.
Okay.
वो इंडिया में बस न्यूज सेट होती थी, टाइप सेट करते थे कि दिल्ली में ये हुआ, इंटरनेशनल ये हुआ, 4 वो हो गया, एंड वो न्यूज़पेपर यहाँ से ऑनलाइन जाता था, यूएस में छपता
क्या
था.
तुम्हें स्टाइपेंड डॉलर में मिलता था?
कुछ भी नहीं मिलता था, स्टाइपेंड कुछ 4,000 रुपए टाइप. इतना हमारा छोटा सा ऑफिस होता था, जो मेरे बगल में ग्राफिक्स वाले होते थे ना, बेचारे डिजाइनर
बॉम्बे
वगैरह.
हाउस जितना.
बॉम्बे हाउस तो बहुत बड़ा है.
मजाक कर रही हो.
बॉम्बे हमारा ऑफिस, आवर होल ऑफिस वाज दिस
The whole office.
less than this living
Cute.
room, okay?
हाँ.
Less than this living room. So dude, 2 months internship I did there. Now trust me, I have learnt absolute jack shit in
What
that.
did you do in those
Nothing. It
6
was
months?
कि वो मेरे को थोड़ी सी कॉपी भेज देते थे, बोलते थे एडिट करो, तो अगर 400 वर्ड का है इसको 300
Listen,
बनाओ.
that is still good. If you when you hear what I did in my internship.
Yeah, what did you do? Mine was this.
I did nothing. मैंने तो I think हमारा भी ऐसे कुछ था. I've done BCom honors
हाँ.
in my graduation. तो हमारे में भी I think 3rd year 2nd year में internship था. और somehow I think my mama knew an auntie, like her friend who used to work I think for DLF as a lawyer.
Oh.
तो me and my friend उन्होंने हमें लगा दिया वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
हम 2-3 महीने बस जाते थे, बैठते थे और घर आ जाते थे. एक बार उन्होंने शायद हमको चेक्स पे लिखने के लिए और
What do you mean checks पे लिखने के लिए?
चेक्स पे पे कौन है किसको कितना पैसा देना है, एक पेपर से देख के हमने बस चेक्स पे लिखा है. That's all I think I did in my
For
internship.
2 months.
Yeah, otherwise I would just go Megha and I would go
At DLF?
eat lunch. उनका कोई ऑफिस गुड़गांव में जो भी था.
कुछ और ही को DLF से कुछ और ही सीख लेते,
कितना
कुछ जमीन पे
boring था.
कब्जा कैसे लेना है, कुछ है.
उतना मेरा दिमाग थोड़ी था तब. अब थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया है उस टाइम से. बट
तुमने वहां पे DLF ऑफिस में बॉस को चल धरनो तो नहीं कर दिया
कुछ
ना?
नहीं करा मैंने. कुछ नहीं करा.
2 महीने में तुमने चेक साइन किए बस. What the fuck, dude?
और कुछ
और
समझ
लेटर
नहीं-
तुमने लंबी चौड़ी लिखी होगी. I had a very fulfilling experience with a lot of
बहुत ही
corporate
बेसिक लिखी
exposure.
होगी बिकॉज यू नो आई डोंट थिंक मैंने अपने करियर को इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस दी ही बिल्कुल नहीं दी थी उस टाइम पे. उस टाइम पे मुझे ये था कि स्कूल वाज सो स्ट्रिक्ट
हाँ,
एंड everything around me was so controlled
हाँ.
that I think I lost my mind when I reached college. I got this thing of freedom मिल गया है and मैं पागल हो गई उस freedom को लेकर के. और मैं पढ़ाई was like भाड़ में जाए. मैंने एग्जाम भी गाइड पढ़ के पास करे
वो
हैं.
तो हमने सबने गाइड पढ़ के पास किए.
हाँ बट तू अटेंड तो करता था ना क्लासेस.
हाँ.
मेरी पॉल साइंस में 0% अटेंडेंस थी. So-
0% attendance is not attendance. 0% means you were at home.
No, I was in City Walk. Drinking chocolate shake. Probably.
You had 100% attendance at Select City Walk Mall.
Yeah.
वाओ. उनको देना चाहिए ना तुम्हें ऑनररी इंटर्नशिप, तो तुम्हें सिटी वॉक वाले को देनी चाहिए थी. वो कहते बच्चे हर रोज आ रहे हो, थोड़ा 2 झाड़ू ही मार दो यहाँ ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे पोछा ही लगा दो हमारे लिए. वो असली इंटर्नशिप तो वो दे देते तुम्हें.
Yeah, it was a very this thing.
बट आई डिडंट इवन नो बीकॉम में इंटर्नशिप चाहिए होती थी. वाज इट अ रूल?
पता नहीं है, मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं
बिल्कुल नहीं
है.
याद.
कुछ तो था मतलब प्रेफर्ड, ऐसा वो नहीं था. I don't think
हाँ.
it was compulsory.
Got it. No,
Maybe it was, I don't know. मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है.
बिकॉज फॉर अस इन आवर
कैसे पता होगा मुझे मेरा? You know, and what happened? I think I told you. Have we discussed this in
No,
the
I don't
pods?
remember this.
So हमारे कॉलेज में attendance wasn't a big deal.
हाँ.
And suddenly when we reached 3rd year, उन्होंने कोई रूल निकाल दिया कि 29% attendance is minimum if you have to sit for exam.
हाँ, तुमने बताया था मुझे. और फिर
मेरी
तुमने जाके
नहीं
रोए
थी,
थे ना.
मैं बहुत रोई थी सर. प्लीज, मेरे सामने एक और लड़का आ गया, सो मेरे 3rd डिग्री पाइल्स हो गए थे, इसके लिए मैं
हाँ,
नहीं आ
तुमने
पाती.
बताया था मुझे.
But
देखो पाइल्स के कारण तो आदमी नहीं आ सकता. तुम्हारे साथ वो सिटी वॉक में तो नहीं घूम फिर रहा था.
नहीं, बहुत लोग नहीं आते थे, बहुत लोग टीचर्स ऑल्सो डिडंट केयर.
DU में तो ये
So-
कल्चर भी होता था कि एक्चुअली इवन ड्यूरिंग माय टाइम आई थिंक दे हैड मेड so I'll tell you why I was very regular with my attendance, because in journalism classes anyway दिन में तुम्हारी 2 या 3 classes होती थी, so it was very relaxed, like you would go at 10 or 11 and you'd be done at 2. So you had the whole day to yourself because a lot of it was more practical stuff. So it ऐसा नहीं होता था कि थ्योरी पढ़ने के लिए हम 5 बजे तक बैठे हुए हैं, so it was very chill. But मेरे को इतना याद है कि for us the internship was mandatory, like you wouldn't get your degree unless
Got
you had that internship.
Yeah.
तो इसीलिए and इतना you know how bad my internship was. मैं तो चलिए थोड़ा बहुत कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. जो मेरे 2-3 कॉलीग्स होते थे जो ग्राफिक्स का काम करते थे, ये बहुत ही डीप कट तुम्हें आइडिया नहीं होगा. पहले ना याहू और गूगल पे ना एड्स आती होती थी, ठीक है. तो देयर यूज्ड टू बी समथिंग कॉल्ड क्लिक फार्म्स, which basically means कि there were agencies which would say कि जितने तुम क्लिक करोगे ना ऐड पे उतना तुम्हें पैसे मिलेंगे, ठीक है. एंड व्हेन आई से पैसे, आई लिटरली मीन कि आप 10 क्लिक्स करोगे तो 3 सेंट्स मिलेंगे. ये पूरी ग्राफिक्स टीम बैठ के क्लिक फार्मिंग करती होती थी वो, और वो जोक होता था ऑफिस में कि यहाँ से तो हम पैसे कमा.
That is like Aman and Nation wants to guess.
वाओ Aman,
I know, Aman, you work a lot, and I know you're a major contributor to everything that these guys do. I was just being like your guests.
Aman, don't stand for this.
Click farming.
I thought you meant click farming from the point of view of he'll make more money doing that than he does on the show. I thought that's where you were going from. But you were even more insulting than I thought you were going with. I was like, thanks.
उतना तेज मेरा दिमाग नहीं चलता.
Wow. नहीं, but genuinely जोक था हमारे ऑफिस में. हमारे ग्राफिक्स वाले बोल रहे, can you
They
imagine?
were making more money doing
हाँ,
this.
क्लिक फार्मिंग. अब तुम एज ए इंटर्नशिप करने बैठे हुए हो और तुम्हारा फेलो कॉलीग ये बोल रहा है, तो तुम क्या
Do
ही
you
सोचो?
feel this though? कि
What?
distribution of wealth or the ways of making money कितना unequal है और कितना random and arbitrary है कभी-कभी.
Okay, I will say no. So I will say this. See, one, we operate also from a place of privilege. I find it very weird and disturbing, or maybe we were too young, ये पहले भी होती थी और हमें देखने को नहीं मिलता था. 2 चीजें जो मेरे को बहुत इरिटेशन जो अब लगता है. One, I feel this जो अब तो stats में भी prove कर दिया है, the gap between haves and have nots is increasing day by day, where so much of this is all statistically proven now, where majority of the wealth is getting concentrated in such few
It
hands.
already is. It's
It
not-
already is.
Yeah.
My point is, I'm saying back in the day you didn't feel it as much. I feel like now with globalization and where India is, I feel you feel it.
It is true. Na? I think the top 1% owns majority of the wealth.
Yeah, it's in the
of
US
country
also.
अगर मैं बस इंडिया की ही अगर बात
हाँ.
करूँ, but then it's true.
Agreed. But I feel like the one thing which I don't like, and this is also a very specifically, actually this is also a global thing, this is not an India thing. I genuinely despise how and this happens with us also, just because someone makes more money, they get more respect from people.
Yeah.
And I don't understand this at all. Okay, I'll give you the example of this from our industry. The example of this from our industry is, and which is why a lot of these influencer type hangouts and comedy type hangouts I don't enjoy, is that say you're going and there are 10 comedians or 10 influencers. It's like the hierarchy is set basis how many fucking Instagram followers someone has. And when you enter that kind of a situation, it's so weird because, and I'm slightly like, I look at it slightly weirdly because, say for example, when AIB was the shiz, then we were like the biggest people in the room types. So, and you would enter and you would feel gravity would shift a little bit in terms of, okay, you know, now you're,
These guys have
etc. And I feel like it's that only, na? It's that, in a weird way, it's that fucking class divide only, na? In terms of how you talk to someone, how you are treating someone who has, say, 20,000
I have
followers.
seen this class divide, like सबसे ज़्यादा, like maybe for you, like you said, comedy rooms. For me, it's very visible on sets. Every time, and I think I told you this very recently also, I was
Yeah.
shooting something and I came back home and I was like, the hierarchy that people talk about, I see it इतना ज़्यादा on a set. कि आप क्या कर रहे हो सेट पे, उसके बेसिस पे आपको रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगा, which I feel is it's so fucked up. Everyone deserves respect.
But you want to tell people, give context?
I'll give context, but my point is that our jobs are one part of our lives.
Yeah.
They are not our life. My job is not my identity.
Correct.
I am more than my job. Now, whether I'm a server, whether I'm a writer, whether I'm an actor, whether I'm an accountant, जो भी है, मेरा एक आइडेंटिटी उसके बियॉन्ड है. एंड रिस्पेक्ट तो सब लोग डिजर्व करते हैं ना. मेरे साथ इतनी एग्जाम्पल्स करो, मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. मेरे को सेट में बोला गया है कि you know, like if I'm, let's say, talking to someone from the makeup or costume department, don't be too friendly with them. You know, don't be too friendly. उनको अपनी seat मत दो. You sit na here. Why are you getting up to give your seat to someone else? Once we were shooting and I was with the lead co-actor and I was whatever, another character in that shoot, and we were going to some location from the set, and हम गाड़ी में बैठने वाले हैं, and मैं जा रही थी पीछे, वो बड़ी वाली SUV types होती है, and पीछे and आगे. तो this actor tells me, you sit आगे, no, let the makeup person go sit पीछे. I'm like, okay fine, but like इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. ये बहुत छोटी चीजें हैं. One aspect of things that people say is that, you know, if you become too friendly, then people take advantage of you. That also might be true.
I get a sense of that, and I'm sorry to interrupt in this particular point. Actually, no, you make your point, I'll come to that. I'll make my thought. I know, I'll put my thought. My thing is ki I get that because I think I have also become more conscious of it now. Like for example, मैं तो anyway life में anti-social हूँ, तो मैं anyway किसी से बात नहीं करता. Which later now, you know, when I sit with Rohan and Aman and all of that, and I'm discussing, and these guys tell me this one time, I don't know, Rohan told me this. He said, you know, everybody is very intimidated by you and all. I'm like, intimidated why? He said, क्योंकि तू बात ही नहीं करता किसी से. So everybody thinks कि पता नहीं भैंस तुम्हारा क्या mysterious हो. And I'm like, now how do I tell people, okay, that's my anti-socialness. And speaking of which, but I have seen what you are also saying, कि जब for example everyone used to come to us at AIB in terms of something, I would be a little, okay, what is your intention on what are you trying to get out of it? So maybe there is some truth
Mix
to
of
that.
both.
But that does not, and I think ये भी हो सकता है क्योंकि मैं इतना anti-social हूँ, मैं life, I have introspected in terms of, oh yeah, I was rude to this person, or I shouldn't have been this rude to this person. I am way more conscious of that now. But still, I feel like that's different from the respect thing you're saying. ना मतलब उसका that's one thing. But तुम seat मत दो या तुम costume से friendly मत हो. How
और
the fuck
suddenly
does it matter?
मतलब वो the way people talk to people चाहिए. अब tone में difference आ जाता है. With an actors also, कब आपका प्राइमरी स्टार आएगा, जब आपका टर्शरी आएगा या आपका सेकेंडरी आएगा, आपका डायरेक्टर का टोन बदल जाएगा डिपेंडिंग ऑन हु इज कमिंग एंड यू नो हु यू आर टॉकिंग टू. देयर इज सो मच ऑफ वैनिटी से देख लो, आप स्टार्ट कर लो.
Listen, that is
नहीं है. The fact that on set there is on some sets, I don't know, maybe now that's changing. खाना भी अलग अलग आता है.
अभी भी अलग अलग होता है.
There is क्या बोलते हैं उसको, set A, set B, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Correct. There are different.
तो आपका मेन क्रू के लिए खाना अलग जगह से आ रहा है, एंड आपका टेक्नीशियंस एक्सेट्रा इन लोगों के लिए खाना अलग जगह से आ रहा है. What the fuck?
हाँ, वो क्लास डिवाइड अभी भी है, वो अभी भी है.
तो मतलब ये सब तो मेरे हिसाब से तो ये बहुत ही अनफेयर है. खाना अगर आप ऐसे कर सकते हो.
Correct. That, for example, something like on our show with Pocket Aces, that I found very cool. That Pocket Aces has this rule of everybody eats same food. Stuff like that. Now that's a very
nice.
small thing. Now
That's a very, very nice,
That's a very small thing. See, the vanity thing I
I
understand.
think it's a small thing, but it goes a long way. Because it's not like people don't notice. Let's say if I'm a technician, I will notice ना कि मैं इतना मेहनत कर रही हूँ, मुझे अलग खाना क्यों दे रहे हो? मतलब you know, so maybe हम लोग ये notice नहीं करते, but अब जो इंसान who is working there, he will definitely notice, and respect बढ़ जाती है यार लोगों के लिए, employers के लिए. ये बहुत basic चीजें होती है.
I've also I get it. I've also realized it's like, I'll give you an example. Okay, this is very stupid. So can I say, okay, let me say. So the office, there is a building here in Mumbai, Lotus something, okay? There is a lot of film production companies there, okay? Lot of film production, TV production companies. In the same building, there are 10. I'm just giving you class divide ka rule. When I go as a writer, if you take a rickshaw, okay, and you get out of the rickshaw outside the building, the security guard will make you write name, kahan se aaye ho, kiske milne jana hai, blah, blah, blah. But if you take a Uber, they let you go inside. Nobody makes you write anything.
You've noticed this?
हाँ, मेरे साथ हुआ है. I'm like, I'm the same guy, dude. Like, so now in that building, okay, in just if I have to go to that building, I'm like, I'm just not, because rickshaws are faster. It's more convenient. I fucking love taking a rickshaw, especially for short distances. तुम गाड़ी थोड़ी लेके जाओगे. But just for that आलस कि यार ये मेरे को रुकाएगा, अभी मेरे से नाम लिखाएगा, किसको मिलना है, कौन हो आप, फिर किसी से गुरसिमरन प्रोनाउंस नहीं होता है तो गुलशन लिखा जाता है नाम. Like, you know, those 5, I'm like, I'm gonna waste 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna book an Uber and get inside. है तो वो भी Uber ही ना. So, like,
It is
logic.
so ridiculous.
So it's,
ये
I don't understand in this tiny things, and I've realized, and have you noticed this with, just to bring it back to work a little bit, even with, for example, corporates,
hierarchies are
corporate
वहाँ
hierarchies.
पे तो बहुत ज्यादा है. वहाँ पे तो डिस्टिंग्विश ही आप हायरार्की से होते हो. आप बॉस बनोगे तो आपको कैबिन मिल जाएगा, वरना आपको बाहर सबके साथ बे में बैठना होगा. So all of this I guess is a fact. And then you know, it's a very intimidating environment that they have created in the workplace.
Got it.
Where you
have
can't-
you faced this,
yeah.
and tell me whatever you want
I
to
don't
discuss.
remember much, obviously. I think I have happily, conveniently deleted that part of my life from my memory because I feel like my workplaces have been very traumatic for
Oh.
me. एक तो
चल
यार, my
धन्नो.
first job, like I was in audit, KPMG, पर मुझे पता ही नहीं था audit क्या होता है यार. वो बस कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स हो रही थी. दे वर द फर्स्ट कंपनी दैट केम एंड मैंने बिना सोचे समझे इंटरव्यू दे दिया एंड मैं सिलेक्ट हो गई. तो मुझे वहां जाके पता चला कि ऑडिट होता क्या है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दोस गाइज वर बैड और व्हाटएवर. नो,
Yeah,
दे वर
of
नॉट.
course, huh.
Over time I've had certain experiences where I have just probably understood myself more. Like I would have loved if I would have gotten my time 1 year 2 year to understand कि हाँ मैं करना क्या चाहती हूँ लाइफ
Correct,
में.
correct.
वो टाइम मैंने अपने आप को नहीं दिया. It was always one job and the person that I am, like this thing I think I've always been. If I'm not happy somewhere, I would not stick there.
Yeah.
This I like about myself and I respect that a lot about myself कि मैं बस करने के लिए नहीं करूँगी. And of course maybe there is somewhat of a privilege कि यार I don't have loans to pay or a family to take care of जहाँ पे मुझे पैसा कमाना ही है. Otherwise survival की बात नहीं है. तो है भी, पर ऐसी भी pressing नहीं थी कि मैं
You couldn't take that
I
decision.
couldn't take that decision and luckily मेरे को job मिल भी जाते थे. और like I've never had a break in my jobs. This was only when I quit my job to act was the only time I took my first break, which was after whatever number of years of working. But hierarchy was always there. I have had instances where I have faced sexism also
In the workplace.
especially in investment banking. Too much sexism, and I was not a very strong person back then. Also, because it also comes from your own self-esteem, and I think I did have self-esteem issues in terms of myself. I would always feel, no, I am not good enough. I'm not good enough to be here.
But do you
And
think your bosses made you feel that way?
it's the whole environment that makes you feel that way. And of course, one is your own. I think every person is suited to do something.
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं लगता I was ever meant to be in, let's say, finance. I don't have. I'm a good student. And मैंने पढ़ाई वो सब मैं कर लेती हूँ, but the application of it is something else only. I
correct.
don't think I had that application mindset of finance. का मुझे अच्छा भी नहीं लगता था. I think I'm a more creative person. And I've always felt that. But it's just that I never had that guidance कि मैं, how do I channel that. अंडा बन रहा है
Guys, घर में अंडा. मेरी फट गई. मैंने कहा कुछ क्या हुआ है?
घर पे शुरू हो रहा है.
हाँ,
अंडे तो
हाँ,
बनते हैं.
चल,
संडे
चल.
हो या मंडे, रोज खाओ.
Wow, अंडे. Nice.
अंडे.
Yes. Eat eggs, धन्नो.
चल धन्नो.
हाँ, चलो.
तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था कि मैं मैं what do I do with it? Like, because I had no idea of job markets, calm. I have also realized, and I've had this conversation with my parents, like a lot of people who are in the business family, they discuss business a lot. Like me and my family, our conversations, I don't think our conversations were around work.
Yeah.
इतना ज्यादा. तो मे बी आई नेवर रियली फोकस सो मच ऑन वर्क. आई थॉट कि हाँ हो जाएगा, मुझे बस बॉस बनना था कंपनी में, विदाउट रियलाइजिंग बॉस बनने का मतलब क्या होता है कंपनी में.
No
विच
valid.
आई फील स्टिल होल्ड्स दो. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक दैट अच्छा अगर मैं मैनेजर बन जाऊंगा और मेरे अंडर 10 लोग आके मेरे अंडर होंगे, देन आई हैव अचीव समथिंग इन लाइफ, विच इज अगेन टू डू विद हमें वो हायरार्की में ऊपर जाना है.
To call yourself CEO or something.
Yeah,
like that.
without really thinking about whether it's making me happy or not, because we're living in such a status driven capitalistic society. एक वो भी चीज होती है that you need to research your employer before you join
हाँ.
is something which I have also realized over time. तो हर अपने ऑफिस का एक कल्चर होता है. वन इज वी कैन टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज एन आइडियल कल्चर,
Correct.
बट एक तो है कि व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट कल्चर.
Sure.
सो बिफोर यू आर एंटरिंग इनटू समथिंग यू नीड टू बी अवेयर कि यार ओके दिस इज व्हाट इट इज गोइंग टू बी लाइक.
Correct.
हैविंग सेड दैट आई फील इफ यू लव व्हाट यू आर डूइंग ना,
Correct.
वो आप मैटर ही नहीं करते. वो मैटर ही नहीं करता बिकॉज वो चाहे वो ओनर कोई भी हो ना, वो आपको एक सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फील होती है
Agreed.
और आप खुद भी उसको देना चाहोगे
Agreed.
as much as you can.
Agreed.
I'm saying this while I'm saying that boundaries क्या है वो तो अभी तो बहुत ही वेग टॉपिक है, बट रिस्पेक्ट वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस जो बोलते हैं वो मेंटेन करना बहुत जरूरी है.
मैं एक चीज बोलूं, मेरे को लगता है कि क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्री में वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस नहीं है लाइफ में, आई थिंक. और वो मेरे को ये भी लग, आई एम श्योर हो सकता है. At least I have not been in creative environments where there is work life balance, but I've heard the same thing from people in banking. I've heard the same thing from people in advertising वालों का तो वैसे ही बुरा हाल है. Like I remember when Devaya had joined us. Now he's at Moonshot, right? They're doing such great work, Tanmay Devaya and all. So Devaya, I remember when we had made our first sketch, he had come to me and said, यार हम advertising में एक साल लगा देते थे, एक फिल्म नहीं बनती थी हमारी. यहाँ पे हमने conceptualize भी किया, एक महीने में लिख भी लिया, shoot भी कर लिया. What the fuck? Appreciation भी मिल गया, right? I think most creative professions, a lot of professions, I don't think they allow for work-life balance.
But that also
Maybe that's not correct, I feel.
I don't know about correct or not correct, but I think isn't it a reflection of our country in general that we are all running after something कि हमें ये अचीव करना है, ये अचीव करना है, ये डालना है, वो डालना है. It's coming out of, there's so much of competition, there is so much of stress that if we don't deliver it on time, then this is what will happen. If we don't release this episode, then we won't get followers, we don't get
Yeah.
money, we have a competitor who are like running ahead.
Yeah.
So this is just inbuilt, I think, as a society, India society especially.
I agree.
Because and maybe some other Asian societies.
No, I agree.
में ये pressure इतना ज़्यादा है of just like right now also like with Nation Wants to Guess, it 100% worries me. And I agree with it. When you are working, you are just working. तू इतना focused है कि तेरे को अपना काम खत्म करना है कि अगर कोई जूनियर होगा और वो अपना काम नहीं कर पा रहा होगा तो उसका काम भी ले लेगा और तू कर लेगा. You'll be like मैं कर लूंगा जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करना है. You are like that person, but तुम्हें खत्म करना है.
Okay, no, valid. Now there are 2-3 conversations here. Just help me dissect so that I'm on the same page in terms of what you are saying. One is कि you work very hard yourself because of what the requirement is, which is कि आपको Nation Wants to Guess खत्म करना है, आप कर रहे हो, right? That's one. कि आप junior का काम भी ले लोगे, etc. That's one thing you're talking about. Second thing I'm saying is in terms of managing work-life balance, जो आप competition की बात कर रहे हो, that is the one thing I feel like I have changed. For example, earlier when we would do sketches and stuff like that, it was a lot more like I would feel a lot more competitive in the sense of at that time, oh, TVF भी ये कर रहा है, हमें ये करना चाहिए, this is how we should position ourselves, etc. It was a lot more competitive. I also feel like people make you more competitive than you actually are. It's like
Yeah.
everybody's कान भरोing you कि वो ये कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
oh shit वो ये कर रहे हैं, फट जाएगी, ये कर दो. अब
बट
तुम्हें
अभी भी जैसे है ना कि अभी नेशन वांट्स टू गेस हमें रिलीज करना है तो तुम लोग बैठ के यू गाइज आर नॉट स्लीपिंग, यू गाइज आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. वो
But-
12 बजे का एपिसोड है तो तुम 11:30 AM तक बस.
But that is not the same thing. Being wanting
I'm not saying
something.
it's because of competition.
हाँ.
But कुछ what is this self-created pressure?
The self-creative pressure is that you want to deliver the best you can, and if you want to deliver the best you can, और अगर आपको पता है वो release है, तो you will work till the end to deliver the best you
But
can.
no, but then there can also be, for what I feel right now is even if you have like 1 month का time, तुम वो 1 month भी end moment तक कुछ ना कुछ करते
Which
रहो.
is a part of the creative process. Tell me one creative person, tell me one filmmaker, tell me one artist, tell me one this thing
But there has
who
to
does
be a
not
point
keep
जहाँ
working.
पे there has to be a point जहाँ पे आगे तुम्हें लगे कि यार अच्छा अब मैंने ये achieve
हाँ, when
कर
you
दिया
release
है.
it, खत्म.
Like guys, I'll tell you what, I have told these guys, okay, you know what, you guys have delivered a great show. Come home one day, let's have dinner, let's go celebrate. Till now, none of them. नहीं अभी बहुत काम है. So when do you take a moment?
When we end
to-
the season.
एक second to just sit with yourself and just appreciate. But that's what I was telling you that day also after
हाँ.
Nation Wants to Guess का shoot कि यार culture जो है ना वो top down ही flow करता है. वो
But-
टॉप डाउन फ्लो करता है.
But if all Rohan, me, and Aman are the kind, Shrimoyi are the kinds where we are like, okay, we
ठीक है.
have to.
If all of you are like that, it's amazing.
Haan, but here is the difference. I am saying I know that once I've released the episode, my thing is till then ki I've tried the best I can to make this the best as possible.
Yeah.
Do I care about जो पहले 10 साल पहले मुझे होता था कि oh my god I have to be better than TVF or this has to kill it or all
That I know,
that I don't give a flying fuck.
which is so healthy.
Which is कि अब बना दिया अब ठीक है यार अब जिसको देखना देखना जिसको पसंद आया उसको पसंद आया जिसको नहीं पसंद आया नहीं पसंद आया the only thing I don't want to feel guilty about is not putting my best foot forward. I will feel guilty if
So I think it's that guilt of not putting your best foot forward that is making you work till like the last minute.
No, it is not the guilt. I'm telling you, it's not the guilt. It is I want to deliver the. अरे if मेरी perfectionism है जो मेरे को वो करना है, that is very different from guilt, ना? Guilt would be कि oh shit मैंने काम नहीं किया या oh shit मेरे अगर मैंने ये नहीं किया तो ये
काम
हो
को
जाएगा.
ऐसे क्यों नहीं प्लान कर सकते कि अच्छा मैंने प्लान करा है और अब इस टाइम तक मुझे इतना खत्म करना है और उसके बाद मैं 2 घंटे चिल करूंगा.
ये I think this is we're going around in circles in this conversation.
Yeah, we are going around in circles because what you are saying right now na
हाँ.
will be the logic of every businessman. नारायण मूर्ति क्या बोला है उसने?
उसने बोला है कि 72 hour work week होना चाहिए
हाँ.
इंडिया में.
तो वो भी तो सेम चीज ही बोल रहा है ना.
नहीं the dynamic is totally different. First of all, I am not mandating anyone. In this case, it is me. Am I mandating an employee to say you have to work for 72 hours? Absolutely
वो भी
not.
बोलेगा am I telling you to come and work for my company? You
Yes.
don't have to work for Infosys if you don't want to, but this is just how it
But
is. This
no.
is how we work.
हाँ, but-
I also work 72 hours.
But अगर नारायण मूर्ति को करना है कौन मना कर रहा है? वो बस लोग उसको इसीलिए बोल रहे हैं कि तुम हमसे मत करवाओ. यही बोल रहे हैं ना लोग.
वो फिर वो बोलेगा ठीक है मत ज्वाइन करो मेरी कंपनी.
हाँ तो नहीं करो.
तो वो सेम लॉजिक है तुम्हारा. तुम भी अरे
No, absolutely. I'm fully disagreeing.
so if I work for you,
हाँ.
ठीक है,
And you want to chill?
I'm saying I will only work 6 hours a day.
करो.
Will you give me job?
If what this is the worst job with the worst yeah depending on the role of course that's not a
I
problem.
want to be a writer and your nation wants to guess researcher.
No, the thing is I will mandate if you can one second if you can deliver me killer 5 questions. If I've told you give me killer 5 questions, this is also an advantage of a creative profession.
Yeah.
तुम अगर मेरे को 3 घंटे में दे रहे हो I don't give a fuck how you are spending your time.
So you're saying that शुरू से अपनी expectations clear करके
हाँ.
रखो. फिर तुम ये तो नहीं बोलोगे ना मैंने तुम्हें 5 questions दे दिए 3 घंटे में कि अब तुम PPT भी बना लो.
नहीं
अच्छा अब तुम फ्री होगे तो
करनी है तो कर लो नहीं करना तो कुछ नहीं होता. तो अगर तुम्हारा डिलीवरेबल वो है तुमने डिलीवर कर दिया मेरे को घंटा नहीं फर्क पड़ता तुमने आधे घंटे में दिया 1 घंटे में दिया 10 घंटे लिए तुमने 10 घंटे लिए तो हमारी प्रॉब्लम
okay fine.
है ना. here is the difference. I feel like one is expect you can work however long you want. I don't think you can expect everybody else because everybody else will have a different type of investment
Okay.
and they will have their own life which I
Point
feel is
taken.
है ना which is the Narayan Murthy example. My thing is अगर नारायण मूर्ति ये बोल रहा है नारायण मूर्ति कह रहा है कि मैं तुम्हारे को स्लेव ड्राइव करूंगा अगर तुम स्लेव ड्राइव नहीं करोगे तो इंडिया डेवलप नहीं होगा. पहली बात तो तुम ये पेट्रियोटिज्म का गिल्ट देना बंद करो लोगों को. ठीक है तुम पहले सारे एम्प्लॉयज तुम्हारे रो रहे हैं कि तुम हमें ढंग से सैलरी देते नहीं हो एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा.
This thing I do agree with MNCs, especially these big companies who are chasing money, chasing profit so much that they are severely underpaying their employees. And I don't think India में ज़्यादा overtime भी मिलता है लोगों को. नहीं मिलता है. तो expectation ही है कि आप करोगे 12, 13, 14 घंटे काम.
Because the supply is so high.
So yeah.
Right. There is no value for this thing. I feel like on some level in creative professions, if you are very talented and you are in demand, you will always be able to create your own supply. So, like I said, I feel when I was a boss and I had my team, I would say I was a 6 on 10 because I would expect other people to also work as hard as I do and stuff like that, which now I don't have that expectation. अगर deadline नहीं है तो मैं बहुत ही chill हूँ. That said, I've also worked with enough employees जिनका रोना ज़्यादा है और काम कम है जिसमें अब मेरा threshold for that bullshit अब this is just me and this is more me talking as an artist and this thing that is a very tough balance to strike. I feel
I understand that.
like
I understand.
it's a really hard one.
But when you say कि उनका रोना ज़्यादा है काम कम है, what do you mean by this रोना? I'll tell you why. Because while I agree with you, if someone is a diligent person
Yeah.
who is working towards similar objectives is contributing as much as I am,
Yeah.
there will be a part or phase in life when that person will not be
Yeah.
100% productive, and that's when I have to understand and I have to be an empathetic leader
100%.
and I will be that person.
100%.
तो वो बैलेंस भी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
100%.
वर्सेस व्हेन यू से कि रोना ज्यादा है और काम कम है.
That I feel like, so I feel like I have one now recently, right? When now, because I'm working in with such a smaller group of people, I sort of know them better.
Yeah.
And so I know their rhythms better. I know that, okay, this person is good for 2 hours, they're very good, then they need to chill. I've understood myself better in terms of my rhythm, in terms of how I work. I feel when you work in a smaller set like this, I think it's a lot easier to manage. When there is a deadline, I still get irritated. ठीक है कि भाई तुम्हें पता है वो डेडलाइन है एंड आई नो तेरी रिदम ये है पर ये डेडलाइन भी है तो यहाँ तो तुम लाइक cause I've been in situations where I've worked with people where they're like I know tomorrow deadline है don't worry I'll deliver chill and I'm like okay I'm chilling I'm trusting you tomorrow's deadline give me something tonight by 10 p.m. and then 10 p.m. nothing comes and then I have to do that
I think
work
that is
again.
not
Stuff like
acceptable.
that is what I mean when it ki Rona ज़्यादा type situation. The advantage, like I said, with us now in a
पर क्यों नहीं
smaller,
आया वो भी तो फिर उस पे.
correct,
And
agreed.
if it is repeated multiple times,
It's repeated multiple times. We're talking.
I think you understand if a person is being genuine or not.
Yeah.
When there is a genuine reason and when
Correct.
they are just like slacking for like
Correct.
slacking. तो मुझे लगता है कि इन सब चीज़ों में अगर आप वही, I think it all comes down to find something that you love doing. I know people say don't make your hobby your passion, your career. Maybe it's true, but at least whatever work that you are doing, you should enjoy doing it because you're doing it for 12 hours. 10 hours if not more.
But Ismeet, that's also a very we have the privilege to be able to say that to do that. There are
I'm saying
Oh,
and
like
I'm
that.
accepting it also
हाँ.
when I said के but मुझे लगता है हम strive कर सकते हैं ना हम कोशिश तो कर सकते हैं ना to find that I understand we all have our struggles. I understand there are I'm saying that okay, our jobs can't be our identity. We are more than our jobs. I think we haven't even discussed that.
Yeah.
That our jobs should not be our identity.
we'll discuss that. हाँ.
या तो आप वो करो या तो आप इतने पैशनेट हो लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई लुक एट यू यू लव योर जॉब एंड व्हाट यू डू सो मच दैट इट गिव्स यू हैप्पीनेस.
Yeah.
इफ इट कांट गिव यू इफ यू आर नॉट दैट पर्सन हु हैज नॉट फिगर्ड इट आउट अभी तक कि आपको क्या पसंद है, then don't attach your self-worth to this job that you are doing and set your expectations right from the start. And if you're not able to make your employer agree to that, then find a place where आपको ये expectations मिल जाएगी. मतलब that is the thing which you have to choose ना कि मुझे पैसा चाहिए या मेरे को एक अपना पीस चाहिए ताकि मेरे को टाइम मिल जाए ताकि मैं अपनी और
Yeah.
बाकी चीजें ढूंढ पाऊँ and then find that fulfillment somewhere else. ये तो possible है ना.
Yeah. I get that, but I feel, do you think this is happening more, just building on what you're saying? Don't you think that younger people, especially in urban settings, we are now talking about so much hustle culture and all, people are trying to find those things? Ki even if they have their jobs, they're trying to build something on the
Yeah,
side
I
compared to
think-
how when we were growing up.
I
No?
think so. I think with social media coming in the picture, people have सबके पास एक outlet है to express, to show what they want to, whatever they want to show, to do other things, to be creative. Iska the other consequences is that I think with now Gen Z and the younger lot, everyone just wants to do this, and I think there is data on this that nobody is actually, we are not as a country in doing R&D, doing like we're not producing so many scientists or other people because now everyone is just
What, becoming content creator?
becoming content creators. I don't know.
No, I think I will say this. I feel compared to us, where in our time, and correct me if I'm wrong, in our time there was this conception of you'd go to a good college. Just your path, someone like you, your path would be KPMG जाओ, 2 साल काम करो, CAT दो, IIM जाओ, company join करो, and career is set. That was usually
Yeah.
the path for a finance person, right?
बॉस बनने के लिए तो यही करना
हाँ ना,
होता था.
बॉस बनने के लिए ही करना होता था. For someone like me who did journalism,
Yeah.
the path was journalism की डिग्री करो, थोड़ी इंटर्नशिप करो 1 साल अच्छे एनडीटीवी टाइप में, उसके बाद यूके टाइप जाके एक वहां से कोई डिफरेंट स्पेशलाइजेशन करो और
Yeah.
उसके बाद यहाँ तो वहीं काम कर लो या यहाँ आके मीडिया कंपनी में आप कोई भी काम कर सकते हो एंड स्लोली यू ग्रो थ्रू द रैंक. Those were the paths. Now with hustle culture, though hustle culture is not the right word to describe this, now with so many other opportunities, I think people are being able to strive more for what you are saying कि okay ठीक है मैं अपना 9 to 5 ये कर रहा हूँ पर actually I really like this, so 6 to 10 मैं
Yeah,
ये करता
it's
हूँ.
amazing.
It's
That ways it's very good.
That way it is very good. The flip side to that is कि कभी कभी लगता है कि उस चक्कर में भी तो
Pressure,
pressure of
performing.
of having a side hustle, I almost feel like now it's the reverse, that if you don't have a side hustle people
Yeah.
judge you कि अच्छा बस job ही कर रहा है. Like
Yeah, how
I've
many
gotten this
followers?
sense. हाँ
Earlier, my CV was just limited to my education and my work, and now I'm like, अच्छा, what's your like online profile like?
हाँ but
Because actually, आप कुछ भी profession में हो, आपकी online profile तब भी हो सकती है.
हाँ, but I'm saying doesn't it go beyond online
Yeah.
content and stuff? Like for example, there is someone I know, okay, there's someone I know who has this like finance job, but they love music and sound. So they after their job they moonlight as a sound engineer.
Yeah.
Right now those worlds couldn't be far apart, and you're not going to find their profile online.
Yeah.
But they're like, bro, I'm going to just keep building, and whatever money I end up making from this, I'm going to put in my sound career, right? In
Yeah.
terms of building my studio and stuff like
Yeah.
that. I almost feel like there is more pressure on young people now.
Yeah,
इतना-
I think वही है. I think
क्या हमने follow your passion ज्यादा कर दिया है?
I think follow your passion ठीक है, but थोड़ी awareness के साथ. Which is something which I think you and I have spoken about, and like I have now come to this whole conclusion that ये मेरी journey है, मुझे compete नहीं करना, because the moment you come online, that you can't help but see other people who are doing the same things,
Yeah.
and then before you know it वो pressure जो आप बोल रहे हो,
Yeah.
जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हो कि अब
Yeah.
मुझे ये करना है, मुझे यहाँ से पैसे कमाने हैं, and then suddenly you will see अब वो क्या कर रहा है, मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है, and आपका काम का stress तो है ही, फिर आप
हाँ.
अपने इस passion का भी stress ले लेते हो.
Correct.
तो find your passion, but don't let it ruin you, I would say.
Yeah, that's a
Don't
good way of
let it
saying this.
ruin you. Because money is also important, right? Like,
Yeah.
I mean, I was thinking about this yesterday. Ke I am not in favor of the whole brutal capitalistic culture.
Hustle till you die types.
मैं वो नहीं हूँ. I want a nice balanced life, and I love working. I like doing what I'm doing now. I want to make money from that, but I also want my holidays. I want to eat good food. I want to relax. And honestly, humans शुरू से तो हम लोग कोई work करने के लिए तो पैदा नहीं हुए थे. But अब उसको करने के लिए how will I do that in a society like ours where money is so important? How will I survive without money? So money is also important, and if I want to take holidays, I need money for that also.
But I have
So I'm so conflicted.
You're conflicted. I actually have a lot of clarity on this. I
Which
feel
is?
like I have a lot of clarity on this. I've discussed this with people also. For example, there are some people, right, who really get off on playing the game. For whom the game is, I want to be number one. I want to keep leveling up, and I want to really see how can I be the best in everything. And making of that money becomes the game for them, right? Ki I want to see how do I take it from 1 to 100 to 1,000 to whatever. Now, you need to choose. Either you play that game, right? And if you play that game, then you have to play that game, and then फिर आप if for but नहीं कर सकते, or then you can't do 9 to 5, right?
Yeah.
Now that's a choice.
So
you
9 to 5, इसको 9 to 5 क्यों tag कर रहे हैं?
let's say then you can't have that balance.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Let's not say 9 to 5.
Yeah.
Or you can choose, because I have had this introspective moment. I have also realized कि I don't care if I don't have that much from a financial point of view, as long as I have this balance.
But आपको basics तो cover करने जरूरी है ना
That to
अपने.
goes without saying, na? That to goes without saying. But I'm saying then you should be okay to have less and be comfortable and not be in the rat race. I'll tell you something very personal. So many people, for example, message, say, and it's very weird, and this really reminds me of AIB TVF time, where अभी Nation Wants to Guess के हमने 4-5 episode ही तो निकाले हैं, literally 5 episode निकाले हैं, and people will message, oh, this can be bigger than Latent if you keep up with it. Now, I love Latent. Some is a friend. I'm not making the show. How do I tell people that I'm not making the show to be better than Latent or to compete with Latent, right? An ideal world would be Latent has its own audience. I love it. I love Samay. I would want him to be successful. I want, not that I want, Samay please want me to be successful also. So, and in our universe, we keep doing Nation Wants to Guess. It finds its own audience,
Yeah.
and you do it, right? एंड उसने जितना जाना होगा जाएगा, जितना चलना होगा चलना होगा. बट बिकॉज एवरीवन इज सो अट्यून्ड ऑनलाइन टू दिस माइंडसेट ऑफ दिस इज बेटर, दिस इज नंबर 1, दिस इज नंबर 2, इसमें मजा नहीं आया, इसमें I feel like everyone is pushing you to be in a space of competition, and I don't know how to tell people कि भाई ये मैं देख चुका हूँ और मेरा हो चुका है. Like मैं कर चुका हूँ. I've played this game. I don't want to play this game anymore. I am out of this
I
game.
think it's a very evolved
नहीं है मेरे.
perspective that you have, because I agree what you're saying is very valid. And isn't that an ideal world where we are doing our thing? We are not competing with other people. We love watching other people's things also. Let us do our things also, and everyone can live together in harmony.
ये मतलब ये नहीं कर रहा मैं.
I know.
I'm
I'm not saying you're doing that.
I'm not doing
but
this. I am just saying कि it does not matter if Nation Wants to Guess is number 1 show on YouTube.
I also think that it doesn't matter.
It does not matter.
Whether Nation Wants to Guess is
If-
number 1. But
Hmm.
having said that, I do feel that if we have made some investment, it
Of
should
course.
pay us back.
Of
Ek second.
course.
It should pay us back to cover that cost and for us to
Yes.
live a decent life
Yes.
and fulfill our
Yes.
goals जो in a society like ours पैसे के बिना नहीं हो सकती.
Yes.
उसके लिए हमको अगर पुश करना है तो हमें पुश करना चाहिए. But what you're saying is, I agree with you.
Yeah.
कंपटीशन इससे बेस्ट इज सच आज मैं हूँ कल कोई और होगा.
Correct. Today you
तो-
are here, tomorrow you are not here. Somebody else will be on day
हो
3.
तुम बेस्ट हो,
तो-
शाहरुख तुम बेस्ट. अब मुझे तो बुरा लगता है शाहरुख के लिए.
Why?
मुझे लगता है वो
तुम्हें बुरा
इंसान.
लग रहा है शाहरुख के लिए?
हाँ
अच्छा.
भाई, आपके लाइफ में बहुत पैसे आ सकते हैं, अगर आप अंदर से खुश नहीं हो
तुम्हें
ना,
लगता है शाहरुख अंदर से खुश नहीं है?
वो इतना चेज कर रहा है ना चीजें जो तो
तुम्हें
अंदर
बताया
से
उसने?
दिख
तुम
जाता
एस्ट्रो
है.
टॉक पे थे और उसने फोन किया तुम्हें एक
उसने
दिन.
पता है उसकी एक रील वायरल हुई थी, मैंने देखी थी, जिसमें वो बोल रहा था दैट ये जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि आपको आराम करना चाहिए, अगर आपको सबसे बड़ा बनना है ना तो ये सब बकवास की बातें होती है, आप बिल्कुल आराम मत करो और बिल्कुल खाना मत खाओ. ये जो बोलते हैं कि एक्सरसाइज करो और हेल्थ पे फोकस करो, बिल्कुल नहीं. अगर आपको बड़ा बनना है ना तो आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ 24/7 काम करना. मैं गुस्सा हो गई यार वो देख के कि यार तुम अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हो, ठीक है, that's okay. How you talked about के how it is for you or what I think it is for me. तुम सबको क्यों ये बोल रहे हो कि तुम्हें वो करना है? बिकॉज आपकी हेल्थ तो ठीक नहीं है शाहरुख जी, आप चाहे कुछ भी बोल लो.
शाहरुख जी की हेल्थ खराब है?
He has gotten so many plastic surgeries and all that done.
He has done plastic surgeries?
थोड़ी सी करी होगी ना.
तो allegedly बोलो, कुछ
Allegedly.
ऐड लगाओ,
हाँ, ठीक है,
टैग
sorry, ये
लगाओ.
सब मुझे लगता है, ये कोई मुझे पता नहीं है ये सब
Thank you.
चीजें.
Thank
मुझे
you.
ये लगता है I love him, I respect him a lot for the businesses and whatever he has built. ठीक है, I think he's a wonderful salesman also for whatever image that he has created of himself. It's amazing how people talk of him. It's amazing. I respect all of it. बट आई फील लाइक वो अभी भी इतनी चीजें चेज कर रहा है, वो इतना चेज कर रहा है, वो कभी बंद ही नहीं होगा चेज करना, वो बंद ही नहीं होगा.
So that's what my point is, that maybe that is what gets him going, and maybe he is one of those people who gets off on that. Maybe you and I are not those people, है ना? So as long as you are comfortable, like
But tell me something, if you are constantly stressed, he smokes so many cigarettes a day, right?
maybe
ये तो
enjoy
public-
cigarettes. People enjoy cigarettes also, man. People don't just have cigarettes for stress relief. This is what I've
आप
heard.
अगर आप constantly चीजें chase कर रहे हो,
हाँ.
there is something in you which is not settled because
Yes,
of which we chase.
You are trying to fill a void.
है ना? When do we have that motivation to accomplish when there is a void, when there is something disturbing us, when there is some friction which we have to cover up. Otherwise वो motivation ही नहीं आएगा, naturally ही नहीं आएगा body से.
हाँ.
तो हम चेज तभी करते हैं जब हमें लगता है कि हम अभी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है. हम सेटिस्फाइड नहीं का मतलब क्या है कि जब मेरे पास ये आएगा तब मैं खुश होऊंगा. तो उस चेज में
बट
तो
वो
हम,
कुछ है नहीं उसमें, तुम्हारे पास आ भी जाएगा, तुम जरूरी नहीं है तुम खुश होगे.
हाँ, बिकॉज हम फिर
Correct.
अगली चीज पे जाएंगे. तो
Correct.
मुझे शाहरुख से वो वाली वाइब आती है. आई कैन बी फुली रॉन्ग. मुझे लगता है कि
Thank you
यार
for saying that in the end. I really appreciate that you said that in the end.
मन्नत मिल गई है. बेस्ट. आपने इतनी अच्छी मार्केटिंग करी है, आपको सब बादशाह बुलाते हैं, किंग खान, राइट?
तुम्हारा कोई एजेंडा है क्या शाहरुख भाई
नहीं,
के?
मुझे
शाहरुख
लगता है
सर,
शाहरुख-
आई एम प्रो यू. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग.
अरे
I just want
I'm
to say.
telling you I love him. When I see him dance, I feel like wow, कितना अच्छा. मतलब he's
Say
just
4
so,
more nice things, na, then, so I can intercut this in the.
I'm saying I respect him. I listen Shahrukh and Kajol are like ऑल टाइम फेवरेट। उस दिन मैं YouTube पे वीडियो देख रही थी जहाँ पे काजोल और शाहरुख ने वो इनॉग्रेट किया है DDLJ का स्टैचू लंदन
इंग्लैंड
मंडन
में,
में।
हाँ।
मैं रोने लग गई थी क्योंकि फॉर मी दैट मूवी इज सो डियर टू मी। आई कैन वॉच दैट मूवी लाइक राज जब सिमरन को लेके जाता है, आई डोंट नो उसके बाद वो लोग एक साथ रहते या नहीं रहते, बट इट वाज लाइक
I think Raj and Simran would have had their own podcast now in 2025.
you think
I think
we could have been Raj and Simran?
we could have been. तुम लहंगा पहन के भाग नहीं पाती, मैं ट्रेन लेता
मैं
नहीं हूँ।
लहंगा पहन के बहुत अच्छे से भागी हूँ अपने सीरियल में भी। तुमने देखा नहीं जब मैं भागी
हाँ,
थी
तुम तो
लहंगा पहन के, we'll cut to that
oh हाँ, can we show? Oh yeah, oh shit. Correct.
हील्स पे भाग सकती हूँ मैं लहंगा पहन
Correct.
के, तो वो तो मेरी सिमरन बनने की कैपेबिलिटी डाउट मत करो। बाबूजी क्या
मुझे
कैसे-
लगता है
जाने दीजिए बाबूजी, मुझे जाने दीजिए।
मैं बात बताऊं,
राज
मुझे लगता है सिमरन,
राज बाबूजी हमारा प्यार नहीं समझ पाएंगे राज राज प्लीज मुझे भगा के ले जाओ यहाँ से राज राज
सिमरन को ना सिर्फ यूके का पासपोर्ट चाहिए था। ठीक है, वो बस इतना वो हो
तो
रही
गई
थी,
थी
वो
हॉलीडे करके आ गई
हॉलीडे
थी।
करके उसको समझ आ गया भाई यूरोप तो बॉम्ब है, कहाँ मैं रह रही हूँ यहाँ पे,
बाबूजी।
तो ये लौंडा मिल गया है मुझे जिसका है यूके पासपोर्ट।
नहीं।
ठीक है, तो उसने करनी थी और उसको कोई वो बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट दे रहे हो प्यार प्यूर के चक्कर में, तुम रियल इंटेंशन समझो।
प्यार प्योर पॉइंट इज दैट मुझे शाहरुख बहुत पसंद है।
कहाँ चले गए हम शाहरुख पे, कहाँ
बस
से आ गए,
लगता
मुझे
है
समझ ही नहीं
because
आई।
मुझे शाहरुख इतना पसंद है कि मैं वरीड हूँ उसके सोल लेवल हैप्पीनेस के लिए।
मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ शाहरुख को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, शाहरुख को कोई
शाहरुख यू कम एंड सॉल्व दिस फॉर अस, कम हियर सिट विद अस एंड टॉक टू अस।
दिस इज योर पिच, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर शिटी सेल्स पीपल गाइस। हमने पहले करी है 4 मिनट बेइज्जतियां कि वो सोल पे खुश नहीं है, उसने प्लास्टिक सर्जरी एलिजिडली कराई हुई
वो
है,
सब नहीं
बट
बताना।
आई लव यू यहाँ के बात करो।
प्लास्टिक सर्जरी और प्यार से क्या कनेक्शन है? कल को मैं कराऊंगी तो तू मुझसे प्यार नहीं करेगा?
डिपेंड करता है तुम कितना बोटॉक्स कराते हो।
जितना मेरा मन करे मैं कराऊंगी।
ऐसे मत करना, तुम वो बोटॉक्स टाइप करा लेना। एक तो ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आता कि लोगों को दिखता नहीं है क्या वो कितना बोटॉक्स करा रहे हैं। आज
कौन?
मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, मैं नाम लूंगा, इतने लोग इतना बोटॉक्स करा रहे हैं ऐसा लगता है प्लास्टिक की थैली हो जाता है उनका चेहरा, ऐसा करके ऐसे बिल्कुल ऐसे फकिंग स्ट्रेच्ड एंड ऑल।
अच्छा
एनीवे तो ये सब गंद गुंद मत कराना। एनीवे
अच्छा
हम
गंद मत कर। मुझे जब मुझे कुछ कराने का मन करेगा मैं वो कराऊंगी, अगर पैसे होंगे तो।
एक लास्ट चीज बताऊं मैं तुम्हें, वर्क
हाँ,
कल्चर,
एक बता।
क्योंकि हम दीपिंदर गोयल की भी बात कर रहे थे, उसका ही केम इनटू द न्यूज़ अभी बिकॉज़ ही सेड आई कॉन्शियसली हर्ट पीपल हु हैव इनसेन पोटेंशियल, I put them at rock bottom, I make their self confidence go for a toss. I do this because something in their head is coming in their way. 4 out of 5 people bounce back superbly great. These 4 out of 5 people are the 99% kitanu that gets deleted by Colgate.
It's
What
like
do you
this-
think? Do you have any thoughts on, because you've worked in a corporate environment? The reason I'm asking is, and again, you don't need to go really super deep into it because I know there are bad memories for you. But because you've worked in a corporate environment where people have bosses have been
मैं बाकी सबका कमेंट नहीं कर सकती
हाँ.
हूँ, मैं अपने ही एक्सपीरियंसेस से बता सकती हूँ। एंड मुझे लगता है दैट अ गुड मैनेजर कैन मेक यू लव अ बैड जॉब एंड अ बैड मैनेजर कैन मेक यू हेट अ गुड जॉब. आई हैव बीन दैट पर्सन.
Hmm.
Even in school, I think I was telling you this yesterday also, that accounting as a subject मुझे कभी पसंद नहीं था, but I got a great tutor.
Hmm.
He was so good at how he taught me that I just fell in love with the subject.
Wow.
Half our problems, half of us do not like what we are doing because we don't have a good mentor. I think a person who gets a good mentor is the luckiest person in the world. I don't know if you have ever had a mentor.
The closest I have had, though not officially, is when I was learning long form writing. I used to really annoy the fuck out of Satyanshu.
Yeah.
And so whatever I've learned from him. So, and I think if he wasn't there, I wouldn't have learned.
Yeah, he's a great teacher.
He's a great teacher.
Yeah, I have attended his screenwriting classes also, and I think I would say that
Correct.
if you are someone who is a filmmaker or an aspiring filmmaker, he just breaks things down.
Correct.
इतना आसान से, you're like, wow, इतना आसान है.
Huh. So he's
this is
not.
what I
So
mean.
he's not been in a mentor capacity to me, but like I treat him like a mentor because every time I have a question, and he's always been there. So if it was
Yeah.
not for him, I wouldn't be there. So
Yeah. So ये मुझे लगता है कि अगर एक अच्छा, and I think I have also managed teams, and I think I was a good manager, and I really think that my sensitivity is a great skill which I think a lot of managers don't have. Because for me, it's my family. If you are working with me, you are my family.
Doesn't this every company say this about all
मुझे
their
मैं
employees?
अब बाकियों की नहीं बात कर सकती.
Okay.
और मैं अगेन ये जो आप चीज बोल रहे हो, ये तो एक पेरेंटिंग, बहुत सारी की पेरेंटिंग बिलीफ भी होती है ना. अगर मेरा बच्चा बिहेव नहीं करेगा, मैं उसको मारूंगा, बिकॉज वो फिर तो वो सीखेगा, वरना वो सीखेगा नहीं. Psychologically speaking, this has been proven to be a wrong technique of raising your child. Psychologically, right? क्या बोलते हैं इसको, नेगेटिव रीइंफोर्समेंट, पॉजिटिव रीइंफोर्समेंट, पनिशमेंट्स, नेगेटिव पनिशमेंट्स. पनिशमेंट इन जनरल इज अ नेगेटिव. तो पनिशमेंट हैज नेवर इन द लॉन्गर टर्म प्रोड्यूस ग्रेट रिजल्ट्स. वो आपके किस एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ में आके आपको अफेक्ट करेगा वो अलग बात है. वो आपके काम में कर सकता है, आपके पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप में कर सकता है, आपकी रिलेशनशिप विद योर सेल्फ में कर सकता है, पर वो लॉन्ग टर्म में कभी हेल्दी नहीं है. तो इस स्टेटमेंट से तो आई डोंट थिंक आई एम इन एन अग्रीमेंट ऑफ दैट. ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज वी आर सच in a society, हम इतना, we are raised like that, we are raised to work more. We in general, so many of us have low self-worth and low self-esteem. That's why we look up to other people and we don't have trust in our own selves. तो हमें कोई ऐसे करेगा तो हम लोग तो हमें तो प्रूव करना है ना कि देखो I'm worthy, देखो I'm worthy. तो हम करेंगे एक्स्ट्रा काम टू शो दैट यार मैं करता हूँ.
Because खुद की low self worth.
हाँ,
Valid.
तो मैं इस स्टेटमेंट से तो बिल्कुल नहीं अग्री कर सकती. मुझे लगता है आप प्यार दोगे ना, अच्छे से जेन्युइनली इंटरेस्ट दिखाओगे ना, दूसरा पर्सन रिस्पेक्ट करेगा आपकी. You.
No, I feel like this seems to somehow be the prevalent thought amongst all these multinational corporation leaders, where I feel like, is this just something that is taught to you at that level? Like, is everyone just talking like this? Because I've also heard from a lot of people that this is a very uniquely Indian company
and it's
trait.
maybe it's a men thing, I don't know.
Correct.
So it just goes to show that I feel it's a problem of upbringing only, जो आप अपने वर्क प्लेस, एक्चुअली वही तो है ना.
Yeah.
जिस तरीके से मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ, वो मेरी हर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ में रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. मेरी पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स में रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा, मेरी प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप्स में रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. सो इफ दे हैव बीन रेज्ड बाय where they have to perform for approval, they will expect the same from the people who will work
for them.
I guess is what I would say.
No, valid. I think that.
But this is nothing to be proud of.
Yeah,
जो
I
हम
don't think
इतना
so either.
बोस्ट करके बताते हैं ना कि
I
मैं
don't
तो
think-
ऐसे ही करता हूँ.
I don't think so either. I think, I also feel, I wonder if, and genuinely thinking, I'm also wondering, is this a stage of life thing? Like, I have a feeling ki 10 years ago me, or 12 years ago me, when I was really like doubling down and just, my life is, my identity is my job and stuff like that, kind of like a person. I'm wondering if, I think I would have been more attracted to statements like this. Ki, haan na karo.
I'm not.
Haan na karo.
I like ambition. I love ambition. Sorry.
No problem.
And that ambition can be anything. I need you to be you should be a passionate human being. जो भी कर रहे हो आप प्यार से करो. But identity can't be कि अच्छा मैं Zomato में काम करती हूँ तो मेरा यही, मैं बहुत कुछ हूँ. I'm a kind human being. I'm a great friend. I'm a great daughter. I can be a good whatever. There's so many things. I love singing. Whatever. I can do so many other things.
But
I just can't be a Zomato employee.
I think in India, this is again, like I said, very specific India problem where your identity is your job
Yeah.
and nothing else. Because everyone is like, everything else that you've mentioned is intangible, so actually it doesn't amount to anything. It doesn't mean anything.
I would like to know. So all of this that we've spoken about is actually making me wonder that if we ask people this question, because again, jobs can't be our identity. That what are you if not your job? You're so looking so cute sitting with that boo-boo on
It's
your lap.
Boo-boo.
Boo-boo on your lap.
It's,
Where is Doodoo? I should sit with
Doodoo's
Doodoo.
in the room. I was sleeping now.
Achha, you were
That
sleeping,
sounded
Doodoo.
very wrong. That sounded very wrong when I said I was sleeping with Doodoo. Sorry. I apologize.
So I think we can answer this question for each other.
Oh, interesting.
What do you think I am if not my job? Yeah, मैं बोलना you're everything and not your job.
No, I won't say that at all. As a person,
If someone asks you, what are you? So a lot of times you say, oh, I am Smith, I'm an actor. I am Smith, I'm a nutritionist. I'm Gursimran, I'm a writer. If you're not a writer, if you have to describe yourself,
समझ गया.
so describe me.
Describe you.
And I will describe you.
Okay.
And I have just asked ChatGPT right now, if you're not your job, then what are you? And I think I would like everyone who's watching this to also think about this and maybe answer. Tell us how you would describe yourself.
Yeah, good question.
And what ChatGPT is saying is that what you are is you are also your relationships, which is how you show up for people, who feels safe around you, who you can call when things fall apart. You are your patterns, how you react to stress, how you handle disappointments. You are your values. What are the things that you stand for?
I was gonna answer for you basis that
Your
in my head.
curiosities, what you read at 2 a.m., what excites you for no reason, what you are your habits, how you treat your body, how you speak to yourself. You are the memories that have shaped you, the stories you tell about your life. You are not who you were, not even who you are, but who you are slowly turning. ये poetic हो गया एकदम से.
ChatGPT ने तुम्हें poetry दे दी. Okay, let me try and
Yeah.
describe you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the question is, if my job disappears tomorrow and the person I am still has to exist, who is she? Yay! Tell me, who
Okay.
am I?
I would say Ismeet is an extremely sensitive, empathetic, curious person who's always looking to learn new things and who comes with a very deep emotional core and value system and who loves protecting everyone around her and taking care of them. ये क्या गंदा एक्सप्रेशन बना रहे हो तुम?
तूने तो एक ही सेंटेंस में पूरा कुछ बोल दिया. मैं ऐसे सेंटेंस बिल्ड नहीं कर पाऊंगी तेरे लिए.
अबे तो क्या हुआ? I was thinking about it. No, I would start with that.
हाँ.
I would say, yeah, I would start with that. So those 5 things. Because I was also thinking before you were narrating ChatGPT, I was going through like your value system to be able to describe you.
Who am I?
Huh.
For me, you are a very pure-hearted human being who has a very soft heart. क्या तू रोने वाला है?
नहीं. मेरे को uncomfortable हो रहा है क्योंकि मेरे से ये सुन नहीं जाती ऐसी चीजें.
But it's very true. I have seen this in you. Who struggles with expressing his true emotions, but who feels deeply, and who just someone who's also a very curious person, someone who wants to experience life and just live and let live sort of a person.
Yeah, I really hope like at least जो मेरा वो रह गया है ना, I want to really just to close this episode. I would really want to go back to school and study again. Like the one thing I do genuinely very very strongly feel.
Yeah.
Ever since I've left university, I feel so dumb.
To study, but you don't have time right now.
And I also know that I operate better in controlled coaching environments about myself. So I know that I will not be good at this distance learning shit. I know that about myself. But if you put me in a classroom, I really enjoy that
Maybe
setting.
one day you can study.
So hopefully soon.
This also actually, there is no age. There is India में ये बहुत है कि अरे आप इस उम्र में पढ़ाई करेंगे. But बाहर, I was speaking to a friend. Yeah, my friend is in Australia. She was telling me that she was doing some course, and वहाँ पे 50-year-olds they're leaving their jobs and they're studying design and they're taking a drop year and then following a new passion. I think we need to normalize these things. Slowly it will happen also.
No, I have a feeling, you know what the good thing is? I think with AI coming and now this whole landscape of education.
With AI coming.
No, I'm saying with AI, the good thing about one of the consequences of AI and now learning will be that I think as you grow older, our learning of everything will change.
Yeah.
Things that we know will change.
Yeah.
Things are changing in real time in front of our eyes. I have woken up today to news that the US might be bombing Iran again.
Oh my
and
God.
so all the geopolitics that we have grown up learning is not going to remain the same. Like 5 years later, the
By the way,
textbook will be
guys,
different.
Trump has lost his mind.
That's a different episode, bhai. That's a different episode. All right. And that's it from this episode of That's Just How We Talk. If you had fun, please like, share, subscribe, hype. Hope you had fun. Say bye, Smith.
चल धन्नो, अब हम निकलते हैं यहाँ से.
Okay, bye.
और भी सवालियाँ उठानी है ना.
So mad.